In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily track multiple affiliate links in one place using ClickMagick. ClickMagick is a link tracking tool that helps you monitor clicks, conversions, and the performance of your affiliate links. Before we begin, make sure to use the link in the description to create your free ClickMagick account so you can follow along. First, log into your ClickMagick dashboard. Click on Smart Links, then click on New Link. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is select a group. This step is optional, but it helps keep your links organized. Then, give your link a name, for example, Product A, Google Leads. Then, in the Smart Link section, choose your domain or create a custom one. Next, enter a link slug, which is also optional. The link slug is simply an addition at the end of your link to make it cleaner and more identifiable. Then, paste your affiliate link into the primary URL field and click Create Link, and you're done. Repeat the same process for each affiliate product or traffic source. For example, one link for YouTube traffic, one link for Facebook ads, and one link for email marketing. This way, you can track where your clicks are coming from. Go to your dashboard and check total clicks, unique clicks, conversions, and so on. You'll quickly see which links are performing best. That's it. Now you know how to track multiple affiliate links in one place using ClickMagick. You can sign up and try ClickMagick for free using the link in the description. They offer a 2-week free trial.